My name is Les. I'm president of Castle Rock, and today I'd like to show you how to use porcelain on the exterior of buildings. Europe has been doing this for years and is way ahead of us. It's time we caught up. This is a beautiful example of large format porcelain cut to custom sizes, laminated to our insulated foam panels, and installed on the wall. This is plank style lap siding. To the right is flush style with the stonework. This is an example on the Hampton Inn of our wood grain porcelain panels installed vertically and on the ceiling of the porte-cochere. Large format panels up to 22.5 by 126 inches installed vertically on this building. This is a multifamily unit with the large format panels installed both vertically and horizontally. Staples or screws are used through the high density foam backing directly into the sheeting. You do not have to hit the studs. Castle Rock and Cosentino offer hundreds of colors, styles, and looks. And this is an example of stone. This slide shows wood-grained, lap-sided porcelain on a school. This is one of two Hyatt hotels in San Jose, California, with horizontal gray siding. This is NFPA 285. This is an example of large format porcelain cut to custom sizes. Notice the keystone and the pillar bases. Again, we have intriguing designs cut with custom sizes to fit. Now we have another design using two different sizes of panels, one to fit under the window, one to fit between the window. Simple design and economy. This architect used a light beige panel and a gray panel to create a unique look. In this case, they used wood grain porcelains on the ceiling and on the walls and paired it with porcelain pavers. This is a very simple and economical design on a government building. Notice this design with the returns to the recessed windows made out of porcelain and how they protruded them from the face of the unit. ICAP panels can be installed vertically, horizontally, or diagonally in a variety of shapes and styles. ICAP panels are available in the following profile configurations: lap siding, flush siding, and the ribbed look, which installs vertically. Go to our website today at www.castlerockx.com and contact us if you need free samples or consultations.